Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to group two rectangle shapes in my Word. Grouping shapes allows you to move, resize, rotate and format multiple objects as a single unit, saving time and making your document design much easier. Whether you are creating diagrams, flowcharts, certificates or professional layouts, mastering shape grouping is an essential word skill. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I go up page. Then go to the insert menu, click the shape drop down menu. Select the rectangle, then draw a rectangle. Then go back again the shape option and select another rectangle. Now you want to group this, you can change the color by one. Go to the format menu, click shape fill. You can change the color. Then press and hold shift on our keyboard to select multiple. Then click the group drop down menu, make it group. Now you can move the two shape anywhere. Now we can see we group multiple rectangle shape very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.